Point that the total number of PowerPoint that we are supposed to use is between 15 to 20. These are all configuration given by specified by Swayam. So the slide limit is 15 to 20 totally, not more than 20. And as I told you earlier, we should avoid long block of text. Preferably, we should use bullet points, very short points, not using bulgy text box or blocks. Use known fonts, not scripted fonts. Arial, Verdana, Helvetica, Myriad, all these are some of the famous fonts. And the text that we use should not be less than 20. Also not more than 25. So 20 to 25. The text size supposed to be 20 to 25. And 20 will be will have clear legibility. And we should add necessary graphics as much as possible. And it should be also appropriate. Not simply adding any picture which is not relevant to the PowerPoint. No, we should add any graphics which is completely relevant to the context that you are presenting. So please try to add graphics as much as possible. And we should also support other multimedia elements. For example, you have some handwritten sums you can bring in. You can write it in the hands and you can scan it and post it. You can also bring in show maps. You can also bring in some animations. All these can be there. Okay, dear professors, any clarification with this? Professors, before we move on making video using PowerPoint, any clarification? Just orientation on making PowerPoints. These are all configuration, the specification given by Swayam for making PowerPoints. Any clarification, dear professors? Have you got it? If you're with me, just press 1, dear professors, just to have interaction. Thank you. Thank you, professors. All of you are very much attentive. Thank you, professors. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Now, we are moving ahead. Thank you. Thank you, professor. Still more responses are coming up in the chat. Thank you. Very kind of you, dear professors. I'm thankful to all of you. Though you are tired, but you are active, enthusiastic, energetic. Thank you. Now, dear professors, I'm just taking up a PowerPoint. Right. I'm just taking the same PowerPoint. For example, the same presentation. Look at it. I've got the presentation here. Now, how can you convert this presentation into a video? The first step that we are going to have is, see, there are two things. If you want to make the students learn on their own, you no need to add narration. You no need to add explanation. You no need to add audio narrations. Instead, we can add simply some music, a mild music. For example, if you want to give the gist of what you have taught in the entire semester in Unit 1 or Unit 2 or in a particular concept, a video can go with a music at the background and the students will go through and learn. For example, we see a lot of WhatsApp. It has only music, but the text comes in an animation format. We understand. It could be useful for only for informative video, not the text content for longer videos. So I would suggest, if you would like to have explanation or if you would like to have narration, if you want to have a clear presentation, you need to add narration. So I'm going to show you how to convert a presentation into a video with the music, a mild music. Professors, I claim that many of you may know this process, but for professors who have opted, yesterday I have given you option to go in for conversion. Many of you have opted for, your opinion. Many of you have given opinion for PPT video making. The other tools we'll take up in the next session. Don't worry. It comes in the priority. Now, look at your professors. I'm just starting from the first slide. Now, what do? I'm just starting it with adding music into the presentation. Look at here. I'm going to have only very few slides. For example, I will just take up simple slides with few things. Yeah. Yes. Let me take up this. See here, I'm deleting purposefully few slides so that we shall not waste time. See, I'm just deleting few slides. I'm deleting. Okay. I have deleted. Sorry. Professor, don't be confused. I'm just deleting few slides for making it shorter. Okay. Right. Now we've got around 10 slides. Now, how can I convert this PowerPoint into a video with music, just with music? Go to insert, process step number 1. Please go to music, insert, and you will somewhere find media. Media or audio, video, any of these, icon will be there. Go to insert. You will have video, audio. If you want to add a mild music, so click audio and add a mild music. Where can I get mild music? We are not supposed to use, cinematic music because it will be a copyright problem. So how can I get music free of cost? This is one of the websites. Please go to Google and you will find Pixabay. Look at your Pixabay. This is one of the websites. You can make note of it. Pixabay. So www.pixabay.com. Here you have option all images. Click here. You find music also. You find option for music. Otherwise, you will find it at the bottom, right? This is pixabay.com. I'm giving you in the chat as well so that you can note it. This is pixabay.com, right? I've given to you in the chat as well. Please find the link in the chat. I've given this in the chat as well. Now go to Pixabay and choose it to be music. And just go for music. Just click, background music or relaxing or happy, some background music. See here, I have chosen background music. You can listen to the music. You can listen, and if you are satisfied, you can get it downloaded. Am I clear? Professor, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
No, the music. Is the music audible? I think
no, sir.
Right now. So this is the way we download. Okay, I don't want to waste time here. This is the way we download. If you like it, just press download. Or else, these are all some of the screenshot that I would like to just the video. The sounds that you can get it free of cost is these are the links. Please, I shall post the same in chat box. Please make note of it. I am posting all the links in the chat box. I'm not able to get it 1 minute. Right now, it's not working. 1 minute. Okay, it's coming up slowly. Pixabay.com. Then the next one is WordPress. I shall share it with you. Don't worry. This is Bensound, another famous website to download music. Bensound, www.bensound.com. Now I go back to Bensound and let you know how to download Bensound. This is Bensound, www.bensound.com. Professor, I'm not confusing you. Please be clear. I'm showing you methodology or the web portal to download free music. Okay, here you find, look at here. Here we find a lot of music. You just click on whichever you like very much and just choose as you like. For example, I just click over, browse music, click here, browse music. So you have got so many options, cool, cinematic, positive, calm, and so on. So now power within. Are you able to get the music? Are you able to get the music?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. See, there is a mild music, piano song.
Bensound.com.
Just click here and you can download it. Click have option to download. Just click and you'll be able to download it. Right? Click and there's option to download. So you'll be able to download it. Right? This is the way we download this royalty-free music. Right? Now, professors, imagine that we have downloaded royalty-free music. Now we are going back to the presentation. Now I'm just coming back to the presentation. Right. Right. Now look at here. I just go to insert, go to audio, and there is an option audio on my PC. Click over that and choose a music which is downloaded already. See, it is being downloaded. Let me just choose a music which is downloaded. Okay. Now I have got a music already. Insert, and it appears in your screen. Professors, it appears in your screen. Now what should you do? You will have to go on the top. You find playback. On top, you find playback. So click always play in the background. Play in the background. Enable that. Play in the background. You will have to enable play in the background. Don't forget to do that. Which means the same clip will be played for all the slides. So when you convert all the 20 slides into a video, so the music will be playing for all the videos. Okay, it will continue at the background. That is why we'll have to click play in the background. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Professors, I make it clear. At the beginning, I have told you the nuances of preparing presentation, number one. Number two, in order to prepare PowerPoint into a video, there are two things. One is to add narration. Second one is to just have music. I am attempting the second one, just adding music and converting the presentation. Now I have added music. How have we added? Go to insert, music. See here audio or media. You'll have to choose any of these, audio or media. Then audio on my PC. Choose the music which is downloaded and it will be on your screen, on your slide. Then automatically go on the top. You find playback. Click that and choose play in the background. That's all. Now it is set. The music is set. Now, how can I convert this into video? Go to file. Now you have two options to convert this into video. Option number one, save as. Save as. Professors, please make note of it. Save as. And the type, choose the type. Choose the type as MPEG-4, MPEG-4 format. MPEG-4 format. Right? I have chosen. And select the folder. Okay, fine. Look at here. Model 1. Model 1. Save. That's all, professors. That's all. It will take quite some time to convert this into a video. Right now, I do not have enough space in my drive, so I'm not able to proceed. Now I shall delete it. Now, have you all understood the procedure of converting your PowerPoint into video? Have you got it, dear professors? Any clarification? I have told you right now how to convert a presentation into a video with music. That's all. So once again, I repeat the step. Before I move ahead, I would like to just close it. 1 minute, I shall just close few files or the free space. Make professors. Meanwhile, I would like to take up some queries. Have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood, dear professors? Once again, let me share the screen. Professors, once again, I repeat. I go to file. I repeat the step. Go to file. Save as. And in the type, look at here in the save as type. The type supposed to be MPEG-4. MPEG-4. Choose that. It should be MPEG-4. Okay. And choose the folder. Right folder. I have chosen. So model 1. I'm just making it as model 1. Just click automatically. It is getting saved. Look at here. It is getting saved. See? So it will take time. it will not just like that convert. It will take time. For example, if you have, the music goes for about 2-3 minutes, it will take 2 minutes at least. So we'll have to patiently wait. Okay, dear professors, that's all. Sooner you will have beautiful music, a beautiful presentation converted into a video with mild music. So this will be a method of e-tutorial sent to the students in blended mode for understanding a concept on their own. So if a video or if you have a content which should be taught or which should be explained clearly, for which we need to have narration. I'm going to demonstrate right now how to give or how to add narration into your presentation. Okay, before that, before we obtain this video, I would like to take up few queries. Professors, if you have any queries, you're most welcome. Have you all understood? Could you make your own videos using PowerPoint? Professors, could you all make your presentation? Could you convert your presentations with music into a video? These are all very simple steps. All of you will be able to make it. I know quite a few of you, or more of you could make on your own. It's a simple step. One of the simplest steps of making videos. Thank you, professors. Thank you. So kind of you. Now we are moving ahead with the next option, right? Now, dear professors, I'm going to remove this audio. Right, I'm going to remove this audio. Right, I've done it. Now, what should you do? Go to file. Professors, let it get converted. It is being converted. So I'm waiting for the file to be converted. I'm waiting. Now I'm going to let you know or demonstrate how to add narrations into your presentation. Now, those of you, how many of you are using the PowerPoint presentations 2019 and above? Could you please give your version of PowerPoint which you are using? PowerPoint version, 2013, 2016, 2019, 365. Can you please mention some 2016, 2010, 2016. So I request all the professors who are using 2010 to upgrade your presentation tool with the latest version. At least you should have 2013. Only then we'll be able to make videos using PowerPoint. At least 2013. Minimum 2013. Right. Now, dear professors, thank you for your response. Now, second method of adding narrations. How do we add narrations? Very simple. Please go to slideshow. There is an option called slideshow, right? Slideshow on top menu, slideshow. And when you click slideshow, there is another option. Look at your record. Okay. See, some of the slides, please understand, in some of the versions, it is slideshow, and some of the options, it is record. Okay, dear professors, just click record, and there is an option, narration. Okay, audio record. Look at your audio record. Am I clear to you? So, professors, version to version, it differs. Let me make it clear. Version to version, it differs. Let me just make it with another version. Look at here. I'm just taking it up another version. Look at here. This is 2010. Go to slideshow. You will find option record show, right? Professors, in the lower version, please make note of it. Slideshow, record show. Slideshow, record show. Am I clear? Slideshow, record show. You will have to click the record show, and you have two options. Option number 1, start recording from the beginning. From the beginning means slide number 1 onwards. Start recording from the current slide means if you want to do some narration in between your presentation, maybe in between any of the slide which is in the middle. So you can go ahead with the second option. So when you click start from the beginning, it is up to you to just give narrations, right? Very simple. Let me start here. Okay. See here, I just go to start. Professors, please make note of it. Record slideshow. I have already done this with few slides. I'll just remove those and I'll do it again. 1 minute. Kindly hold for a while. Yeah. Okay. I've done it. Now I have, yeah. I will delete few slides and show you. Yes, process. Now you've got only 4 slides. I'm going to do it. Only 4 slides, right? Now go to record show. I'm doing it with the lower version. Record show. Start recording from the beginning. Click over that. And when you click start recording, we begin the show. Dear learners, greetings. This is Vimal Jaral presenting you with a module on e-content development. Let me just give you the elements of e-content. The elements of e-content are text, image, audio, and video. These are all fundamental elements of e-content. We also have few other elements such as animation, narration, graphics, and effects. These elements will add embellishment to our e-content. As I have told you earlier, the fundamental elements are essential for making an e-content. These additional elements will add embellishment to our e-content. Now let me give you the types of e-content. Number 1, we have text-based e-content. It could be PDF, a document, or anything related to text alone, which could be converted into a PDF format, portable format. Secondly, we have animated e-content, which could be a PPT, which could be prepared using PPT, GIF, etc., etc. And the third e-content is narrated e-content. Narration could be done with a PowerPoint. So, my dear friends, I hope all of you have understood what is e-content, what are the elements of e-content, what are the different types of e-content. In the next module, we'll be able to know how to prepare e-content. Thank you very much. Now, dear professors, see, I have completed my narration. Please understand, I have completed my narration. Just press escape or just close this. Press escape or close this. That's all. Now, the narration is over. Look at here. In every slide, you will have small icon, audio icon. Are you able to find this? A small audio icon. So, I have given my narration. I have completed my narration. If you want to listen to it, you can listen to the narration once again. Look at here. Now, just make it full screen. Automatically, you will be able to listen to the narration before you go for converting this into a video. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Professors, have you understood the narration part? In the lower versions, I am coming for the higher versions. Professors who are using 2010, I have demonstrated you how to give narration using the PowerPoint with 2010 and the other versions up to 2013. In 2013 and above, I shall explain you in the next demo. Right. Now I have recorded my voice. Now, if you want to listen, you just enable the full screen. You will be able to get the sound of what you have recorded. Look at here. E-content is narrated. See here, I'm just making it from the first slide, first screen. Look at here, first screen. Look at here. Let me just give you the elements of e-content. Are you able to get the noise, sir? The elements of e-content are text, image, audio, and are you
video.
able to get, somebody can tell me?
These are all fundamental
Yes,
elements
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
e-content.
Yes.
Also,
thank you. So now narration has come up in the slide. Now what should I do? I feel that along with the narration, a mild music could be added. Along with the narration, a mild music could be added. How can you add a mild music with the narration? How can you add a mild music with the narration? Professors, can you tell me how can I add mild music with the narration? Can you please tell me how can I add mild music with the narration? Can someone tell me in the chat? Insert. Yes. Yes, Father. Absolutely. So go to insert. Go to insert. You will find musical icon, right? Music icon. When you go to insert, you have musical icon. There are you find audio or media. Enable the music. Then the music will appear. Then we can convert that, right? That's all. So this is how we add music. And finally, how to convert this into PowerPoint? Yeah, go to file, process. I'm just making it for the lower version. Those of you are using 2010, you will have to use this. File, save and send. Please make note of it. File, save and send. Click file, save and send. There is an option, create video. Once again, let me tell you, after adding your narration, after adding your music, go to file, just click save and send. Then you will find an option, create video. Click over it, then click create video. That's all. When you click create video, automatically this will be converted. The PowerPoint will be converted into a video. I just click convert this. I'm just making it SXC 2023 model 2. So I made it model 2. Now it will take time. As usually I have said, no, it will take time. It will take time to convert your presentation into a video. See here at the bottom, you will have the progress. See, it will take time. See, the progress is slowly coming up and we'll be able to see the progress here. Now, before I move ahead, professors, I would like to play the video that we have done in the previous demo. So I have saved it in SXC 23 folder. See here, model 1. This was the video that we have done in the previous one. See here, model 1. It was done in the previous demo. Just adding with music. A PowerPoint just with added with the music, not with the narration, right? Look at here. Or are you getting the music along with the PowerPoint?
Yes, sir.
See here, slowly the points are coming up one by one. It is for the students to understand on their own. Professors, please understand, it is for the students to understand on their own. So it goes like this. Slowly, it goes like this. The mild music, the nice music is added, and the video goes. The video is not PowerPoint, the video. Okay, process. Now I'm just stopping the video. I'm just stopping the video, closing the video, and going for the second one. Look at here. The second video is also, I suppose, the second video we have prepared in the second, in the lower version is also ready. All those who are using 2010 can also get it ready. Now I'm going to make one more final demo with the latest version. I'm just making use of the latest version to show the final demo. Right now, where should we go for that? 1 minute. Let me just show you. Go to slideshow. Okay, slideshow. There is an option record. Okay, in the option record, you will find record show, right? Look at here once again. Let me tell you. Go to slideshow. There is an option record. Instead of going for record here, you will have to just click. I'm sorry. 1 minute. Again and again, the floating window is enabled. So I'm unable to show you right now. 1 minute. Yeah. Go to record. You will find the option. 1 minute. It is hiding again and again. I'm sorry. Bringing it down. Yeah. Look at here. Go to record. Record. You will find option record. Okay. From the beginning and from the current slide. You will have from the beginning and from the current slide. It's not working right now. I'm just clearing it off. 2 minutes. I'm just clearing it off. Yeah. Now look at your process. I have got another presentation. I've got another presentation. I'm showing it through another presentation. Is it visible, sir? Sir, is the presentation visible?
Yes, sir.
Presentation visible? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now look at here. I am with the latest version. Here some advancements are there, right? Go to slideshow. Now I'm demonstrating you how to add narration, how to explain. Slideshow. There is an option record. When you click record, you have two options, from the current slide or from the beginning. If I want to start from the beginning, I'll have to click here. If I want to just held up with the middle one, just go for current slide. Now I'm going to start with from the beginning. So when I click from the beginning, automatically it will prompt me a recording option. Am I clear to you, dear professors? I just click from the beginning. Look at there. So you can add notes here. Professors, see, if you are not that comfortable in video, spontaneously coming out, or if you're not extemporarily coming out, you can just add notes here. Okay, that you all know. Don't worry. Right now, see here in latest version, I have got an option to add my video in the latest version. See here on the top, see, I have option to turn on my video. See, I have right now turned off. I can turn on my video so that I appear in one corner. Am I clear? I'm appearing in one corner. Am I visible to you all? I'm appearing in one corner down, right at the bottom, right? Now, I can also just enable or disable the camera. Right now, I want to enable the camera. I'm keeping myself in one corner. Right, I'm going to start. So start by pressing the red color button. It differs from the previous one. Am I clear? It is quite different from the lower version. So in the higher version, you have option of enabling a video. Right, I'm ready. I'm going to start. I'm going to start, dear professors, by click the red color button and start. I'm going to give you a demo. So countdown is going on. Greetings, dear learners. I'm giving you a presentation module on recent technologies for software development. These days, software development play a vital role as we live in digital world. This is a world of digital era. The digital world that has driven to Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 that envisages accommodating multiple technologies for smarter life. One of the such technologies is Internet of Things, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, data science, big data analytics, 3D printing, and these could be evolved in software development lifecycle that you see on screen. Now, in the requirement analysis, we have information gathering, requirement documentation, functional requirements, and SRS. Now, dear learners, I hope all of you have understood the recent technological trends in tune to Industry 4.0. In the next module, we'll go deeper into each module. Thank you. Now, professors have completed. After completion, what should you do? You can even look at here. There is an option to pause or stop. See, if you pause, you can continue the recording. For example, if you complete one slide, if you want to pause, drink some water, you can use pause. If you want to permanently stop, use the stop button. See, I have clicked stop button. It is permanently stopped. Okay, professors? Now close the window. Now look at here. Now everywhere, every window, I've got the video recorded. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Now look at there, in every window, I've got my video recorded in the corner. Am I clear to you, dear professors? How to record narrations? Now, how to convert this into a video? Look at here, how to convert this into a video. Now let me just explain. I would like to add a mild music. Professors, along with my voiceover, I would like to add a mild music. Guide me how? Insert audio on my PC. Choose a music which you like very much, a mild one. Okay, I just choose Inspire. There's music called Inspire. Okay, I've chosen. Now, don't forget, if you are adding music, don't forget to put it play in the background. It is essential, play in the background. And another thing, your music should not dominate the voiceover, the narration. If you feel that the music should not spoil your narration, please don't use music. Okay, right. Just for the demo, I'm just giving it to you. Right, I'm just reducing the volume. Look at here. See the music volume. Yeah, I'm just making it milder, very mild in the background. Are you able to get the music? Are you able to get the music? Can someone vouch me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at here. This is, I feel that this is enough.
Yes.
Okay, I'm making it a little more milder. Right, fine. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to convert this into a video. Go to file, process, go to file. And the next method is in the advanced tool, advanced versions, file. Instead of pressing save and send, you'll have to press export. Export. Look at here, there is an option export. Export. And when you press export, you have option create a video. Click create a video. When I press create a video, you have option, another option, create video. Don't change any of these options. Never change any of these options. By default, it is full HD. So click create video and you choose the folder in which you want to choose. Now I want to go with model 3. So we have done the 2 models, now model 3. Just press export. That's all. The video will be converted very shortly. The video will be converted very shortly, dear professors. So look at here, the progress is going on. Now I shall play the video that we have done with the lower version. Look at here, until this is getting ready. I'll play the video that we have done with the lower version. Look at here, this is what we have done it with model 2. See, model 2, I'm just playing the video for you. This is done with the lower version, 2010.
Dear learners, greetings.
Is it
This is
audible,
Vimal.
sir?
Let me just give you the elements of e-content. The elements of e-content are text, image, audio, and video. These are all fundamental elements of e-content. We also have few other elements such as
See here,
animation, narration,
the beauty
graphics,
of this,
and effects.
Beauty of this PowerPoint,
These
all the
elements
all the
will
animation
add
will also be
embellishment
captured as
to
it
our
is
e-content.
with your
As I
voiceover.
told you earlier, the fundamental
This
e-content
presentation,
elements
this
are
video
essential
has
for
only
making an
voiceover,
e-content.
no audio.
These additional elements will add embellishment to our e-content. Give you the types of e-content. Text-based e-content, it could be PDF, a document, or anything related to text alone, which could be converted into a PDF format, portable format. Animated e-content, which could be a PPT, which could be prepared using PPT.
I'm just stopping this process. I'm just closing and I'm going for the video that we have done recently. Now look at here. It is almost ready. It's almost ready and it will be over. Now, if you would like to ask any clarification, you're most welcome. Before I play the last one, and I will let you know how to upload these videos into YouTube. That's all. With that, we'll go. Another 10 minutes to go. Professors, any clarification? Please feel free to enable your mic and ask your queries. There's one query in the chat. Dr. Anthony from the Department of English is asking. Dr. Anthony, actually, see, there is a smile difference. The thing is that in Zoom, you can appear in full screen at the beginning, as expected by Swayam and so on. You appear in the screen with full screen and introduce yourself. Then go for later, you share your screen and you do presentations. Then come back in full screen and sum up. A sequence could be done. Here, you can simply record voiceover or add your voiceover music and convert your PowerPoint into a video. This is quite simpler than the previous one. Much simpler than the previous one. Okay. Both differ in the features. That's all. But both are e-content. Am I clear to you, sir? Whichever is comfortable for you, you can very well use it. I am using 2019, madam. Rexy madam is asking what is the version that I am using. I am using 2019. Selvakumar sir, don't worry, sir. I request you to please update your version of PowerPoint. So I request even IKC sir, Alagaraja sir to help people to update from the computer center. Microsoft PowerPoint, if you could add with the educational version, 365 educational version. I think Father Leolin can also help people who are in need of latest version through 365 account. We can, once we get 365 access, we'll be able to create our account, use it free of cost. So all these features are here. Any other queries, dear professors? Now I'm playing the third demo that we have done. Please open mic and ask, or else you post your queries in the chat. Now the third demo that we have done. Look at here with the video. With the music and the video.
Greetings, dear
Look at here.
learners. I am giving you a presentation module on recent technologies for software development.
Is it visible process?
These days, software development
Is it visible, dear process?
play a vital role as we
Yes,
live
sir.
in digital world.
Yes.
This is a world of digital era.
Here,
The
in the
digital world
PowerPoint, we have
that
our
has
video
driven to
as
Industry
well as the
4.0.
presentation. The quality of the presentation is
4.0 that
really
envisages
wonderful. It is
accommodating
full-edge definition.
multiple technologies
full-edge.
for smarter life. One of the such
Okay, I'm closing it. Now, dear professors, before we move on, I would like to just give you a demonstration on uploading the same video into PowerPoint. I'm sorry, YouTube. Before that, would you like to have any queries? You're most welcome. What is the maximum hours of lesson uploading in? There's no limit, Professor. Dr. Sasikumar is asking, sir, there's no limit, sir. Only thing is that you need to verify your account. Once after verifying, you can upload any longer video. So, professors, I humbly appeal to all of you, dear professors, please make your own video, a simple video. Make a simple videos and upload it in YouTube and send me the link. I'll go through and I'll let you know. Now, let me tell you how to create a YouTube video, YouTube account and create your videos, right? Please go to Google. Professors, please make note of it. Please go to Google. When you go to Google, on your right-hand side, near your DP, you will find the Google Apps icon, the 9 dots, no? Click over there. You will find, please click over here. You will find option for YouTube. Look at here, YouTube is here. Just click that. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Go to Google and log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your account, right? Press YouTube. After going into YouTube page, you will find your DP. Look at there, dear professors. You will find your DP on top. See, the DP is here. Professors, make note of it. DP is here. Click over here. Click over that DP. When you click the DP, you will find the first option is create channel. Create channel. Okay, don't worry. It will not be known to others. Never bother about it, right? Otherwise, you can straight away click this icon, create. There is an option, create, right? There is an option here, create. Okay, I'm going to do it with some other option, some other account name. I'm just switching over some other account. I'm doing it for you, right? Look at here. Professors, carefully noted. I have come back. Now I'm going to add the video. How can I add the video? There is a plus symbol here. After logging into YouTube, there is a plus symbol here. Once again, let me make it. Go to Google. Professors, please go to Google. And near the DP, display picture, there are 9 dots. Click over there. You will find YouTube, right? Click there. Log into the right account. Log into your right account. You may have 2-3 Google account. Log into the right account. After logging into the right account, you will find plus symbol here. Just click the plus symbol. And there are 2 options, upload video, go live. Now we are going to upload the video into YouTube. You know, why are we uploading into YouTube? The thing is that whatever number of videos that you upload will not be counted as a storage. Google's account is limited with the storage, 15 GB. If you place or if you load all your videos into Google Drive, it has its own limitation. Only 15 GB is permitted. But whereas here, you can upload any number of videos with any size. So dear professors, please upload it. Even it could be used by you alone, and your student alone. I shall let you know the technique. Now look at here, click upload video. After clicking upload video, just, it will ask you to create channel. How to create channel? At the beginning itself, I told you. Just click the DP. See here, there is an option, create channel. Click over there. And automatically, you type the name here in any language, Tamil or English, whatever language. Tamil teachers, Hindi teachers can make use of Unicode fonts to create in their own vernacular. Just click create channel. That's all. The channel is created. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Immediately after creating the channel, just go to the plus symbol again. It is being done. Now, dear professors, on top, you find the plus symbol, no? Click that plus symbol, create. And you find upload video, click that. So I'm going to upload video number 1. I'm going to upload video number 1 and give you a demo, right? Just click select file. Click select file. Go to the folder and find your video. See here, this is where SXC 2023. I have a video model 1. Choose that video. Press open. And it is automatically getting uploaded. It is getting uploaded. Okay, now I have to give the title. Please be specific with your title. For example, here this is only model video. I'm just giving it as model video. Done. And if you want your students to understand what is the content speaks about or what is the video demonstrates about, you just give the descriptions so that the students clearly understand what part of the portion, unit, and so on. Everything can be given here. And come down. See, the thumbnail is, for example, in order to attract the learners. Don't worry about the thumbnail. In the next part, we will see how could we make thumbnails and so on. Don't worry. I shall plainly let you know how to add a simple video, right? That's all. Now come down. After giving the title and description, come down. See, they are asking, is it made for kids or not? No, it is not made for kids. It's made for college students. Okay, done. Press next button. That's all. Press next button. Don't worry about all the other options. Press next button. Next button. And this is where we need to carefully look at things. Now, this is privacy. When I enable it private, completely only you can see. Nobody else can see. So you can store your videos in the private mode. Nobody else other than you can see. Now, I want only my students, class students want to see the video. How can I enable them to see the video? Click here. There is an option, share privately. Click that and add all your email ID, all the email IDs of your students. Just add by comma, one by comma, right? Press done. Or else there is another option. If you're using institutional ID, let everyone at mail.hjctni.u, whoever uses official ID, they can view this. Whoever is part of the institution, professors or students, they'll be able to see. Otherwise, if you want a closed group to see the video, you just enter the email ID and press done. That's all. This is number 1. This is with regard to completely private and those who would like to see the video. And next one, unlisted, which means whomever you send the link, only they can see the video. Am I right? Whomever you send the link, they'll be able to see the video. That is unlisted. And the third one is public. When I make it public, everyone in the world can see your video. Automatically, YouTube will also prompt your video. Am I clear to you? Can you now tell me which is the better option for us? Professors, which is the better option for us? Can you tell me which is the better option for us?
So public.
Public, everybody will be able to see, Father. Everybody, the beginning, which means if you are confident of sharing a video, you are most welcome. See, each one feels comfortable in their own way. Some have chosen private, some have chosen unlisted. See, if you choose unlisted, if you share the link, if somebody shares the link, then the others also can see. Private, only you and those who have opted or those who have enabled can see your video. So that our students alone can see. If you are not confident of sharing your video to the entire globe. If you are confident, if you want your videos to reach out to the entire globe, you make it public. That's all. So everything is over, dear professors. See, it's very simple. Once again, let me go back to the steps. Look at here. Look at here. Very, very simple, dear professors. At the beginning, what have I done? I have added my added title. And at the bottom, is it made for the children? No. Press next. And next. Visibility, you'll have to choose which is better. So I'm pressing unlisted because you cannot see. You cannot see. Now I have made it unlisted and save. That's all. Your video is ready. Okay, dear professors. Now, how can I get the link? How can I get it shared? See here, there is a prompt. Automatically, I can share it with WhatsApp. I can upload it in Google Classroom. I can upload it in my own, learning management system, or I can get the link and upload it in my college website. It can be embedded into my college website. So when we embed into college website, it does not go to YouTube. It plays in the college website itself, so that others who would like to just visit your e-contents, they can just make use of the e-content. Now I copy and I give it to you in the chat. Just click and see if you are able to get the video. Professor, just click and see. I've shared the link with you all. Click and see if you are able to get the video. Is it playing for you? I've given you a simple way of, uploading video. There are other mechanisms to enhance your video in YouTube. Promote, enhance. Yes, thank you. Now, have you all understood, dear professors? I think it is the time to call it a day. Now I will sum up, dear professors. I will sum up. So please do not be confused. I've given 2-3 methods. Now, the first method is we get ready with the presentation. The presentation should be, lesser text and more graphics, more animation. And it should be neatly presented, well presented and well formatted. Okay, you know how to format. We will have how to format and so on. You are all using it for years together, for so many years. So you enable in higher version expert. So when you press save and save, you will when I press create another option. Professors, I'm sorry, I lost the connection. I'm sorry, am I audible? Professors, am I audible? Can someone vouch
Yes,
me
sir.
that?
Now
Yes,
you
yes.
are audible,
Yes,
sir.
okay, so first method I have done that. Secondly, I have gone into slideshow. There is an option record slideshow from the beginning and in the middle. So I use from the beginning and start narration one by one. There is also option to pause, take water, take break in between. Then you can continue, resume the recording. We feel comfortably, just one by one you record. Then at the end, you press escape or close button. So your recording will be over. Now, how to convert this into video? Go to File, Save and Send or Export, press Create Video, and your video will be converted in. Your presentation will be converted into a video. Now, later, dear professors, how to upload your videos into YouTube? Go to Google, go to YouTube, log into your account, and there is an option under the DP. Create your channel just by adding your channel name. That's all, no complication. Then you will find a plus symbol, upload video option, add the title and mention it is not made for kids and add your privacy, whether it's private, public or unlisted. That's all. Final link will be obtained and you share it with your friends, share it with student friends and others who are interested. Now, dear professors, please try on your own. I humbly appeal to all of you. Though it may seem to be simple, I want all of you to give a hands-on try and make your own videos and share it in the group if you're comfortable, or share it with me privately. I shall give you comments if you are interested. Please do it, dear professors, until we just get ourselves trained to make professional videos. Okay, dear professors? In the next module, we will be able to just go ahead with OBS. OBS, okay? OBS is one of the professional video maker, screen recorder as well as video maker. So we are going to have OBS in the next module. And the following week, I will let you know how to edit these videos. If you make some mistakes, it could be edited. Okay, dear professors. Now we have crossed the time. If you have any queries, we will call it a day. If you have no queries, we shall call it a day. If you have any query, you're most welcome to just give your. Thank you, professors, for your comments. Thank you. There is one query from Dr. Krishraj, sir. Sir, could you please send the recorded session of. Yeah, it will be sent, sir. The organizers
Yeah,
from
yes, sir.
ICT
Yeah,
has
yeah, yes,
recorded,
sir.
they will send it to you. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
The
you.
Zoom record is going on, sir. We recorded the session, sir. So we will send that video to the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Very kind of you, sir. And Dr. Sasikumar, sir, you can definitely use YouTube Studio. See, YouTube Studio, it is not to make studio video, sir. It is just to add, simple features are available. It is not complete studio. There are only option to add, there are only few options to just make videos, not sophisticated like this. Okay. It is to just to cut, trim, and so on. So it is better to use all these options, either Zoom or PPT. See, all these tools are for the principal has said clearly that the professors should be taught simpler manner so that everyone should be able to make. Everybody should be able to make and offer, blended learning mode of training to the students. That is the purpose. So please make use of these two tools and make video. It is better if you could make use of these two tools and make yourself convenient. And we'll move on to, can we edit YouTube itself? Yes, of course. Mild editing can be done. Thank you very much, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you for your compliment. Thank you, professors, for your compliment. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Father,
So, professors,
you, Father.
once again, a humble appeal to all of you. I know you are all very busy because you are celebrating centenary year. Congratulations to Father Principal and all of you who have gathered here. But still, you find some time. 28th is a holiday. At least make a simple video using Zoom and PPT and send it to me and send it to the team so that we can share comments among each other. If you're confident in sharing it in the group, you're most welcome. Otherwise, share it to me personally. We shall just help each other. Thank you.
Professor Vimal, thank you very much. Thank you very much. As usual, you have given us wonderfully this presentation. My dear professors, the strategy or methodology Professor Vimal Jaral follows is that today he has given an input and we have next 5 or 6 days. During these 6 days, we can make this simple presentation and send to him. He'll be able to guide us. That's how he followed in 2021 and 2022. For the entire country, almost more than 2,500 professors attended. And he was fully available to clarify all the doubts of all those 2,500. That was the beauty of Professor Vimal. Therefore, I request you to make use of this simple technique. And at the end of this 4-day session, as I said, let us come out with a simple video presentation, which will be used for our own teaching learning. With this so once again, I thank Professor Vimal for his availability and his, let us say, attachment to the Jesuit institution. Thank you, Professor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Father. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Father.
IQAC, Dr. Alagraja sir, Father Leolin, and all the others. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Father.
Professors, I'm also available in the WhatsApp group. So whenever you have some difficulty making your own videos, please feel free to post your queries in the form of text, or you can even make a screenshot and post it. I shall help you.
Sir, Vimal sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, there is, I have only one question.
Yes, sir.
So if we are sending the YouTube link privately,
Yeah.
if there is any possibility, those users to be uploaded in public?
So could you come again with your question, sir? I couldn't get you, sir.
Sir, once if I am created the video and I sent privately through my for my students. So there is any possibility my own students upload that video in the YouTube in the name of public?
Understood, sir. Understood. Sir, they cannot make your video public. It is not possible. The other thing is possible. They can download your video and make it public. That is possible.
Okay. So
they
there
can
is a
download a video and
chance
do it.
for downloading that video. There is a chance in that.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. And also, I have another one doubt, sir, regarding that PPT presentations.
Yes, sir.
Sir, while I am recording my audio,
Yes, sir.
so there is a if there is any possibility that simultaneous the displaying of subtitles.
Audio, with regard to audio. Sorry,
Yes, sir. If
subtitles.
I am saying
Yeah,
that
subtitles.
in that audio
Yeah.
will be converted into that subtitles. Sir, there is any
Yes,
possibility?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, there are tools. There are tools to create subtitles, sir, for a video. Okay.
Okay.
You please log on to Google, and I
There
will
is
also.
possibility in that PPT itself, sir.
Yes,
Either
yes,
in
yes,
that
yes.
PPT or anywhere.
Not in the PPT, sir. Not in the PPT. Video. So video could be enabled with the subtitles. Video could be enabled
Okay.
with subtitles. For example, you convert the video, sir. After converting the video,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
sir.
am I
Yeah, sir.
audible?
Tell me, sir.
Yeah. After converting the video, you will have to create subtitle for the video and add the subtitle along with the video. That's all. So we have
Okay,
got
sir.
so many AI tools to convert, create subtitles, sir. Audio to text.
Okay, sir.
Audio to
But
text.
if suppose in my laptop I have only the Windows XP 2007 only, sir. That OS
Now
will.
you will have to update, sir. Certainly, you will have to update, sir. When you want to work with multimedia content, you need to update, because we are. I understand, sir, the situation, but we need to update, sir, because when we want to work with multimedia content, it is better to
Yes.
go for the latest version, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Which
so much, sir.
department you belong to,
Thank you.
sir? Which
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
department?
Commerce,
Thank you,
sir. BCom.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Vimal sir, I have one question. Suppose I am
Yes, sir,
uploading
please.
my video in YouTube. If
Yes,
any
sir.
students they can download my YouTube video, then they are editing my video and they are uploading in some other Insta, other things. No, so how do we restrict our video to they are not using அது மாதிரி ஏதாவது பண்ண முடியுமா
There are other options, sir. I have not shown you the other options. No, there are so many restrictions could be done with the video. Another thing, sir.
Okay.
See, YouTube video search, it is open to all.
Open to all.
It is under Creative Commons. You know, it is what is Creative Commons. Creative
Yes,
Commons, anybody
common.
can use it.
Okay.
YouTube video, anybody can make use. There is no wrong, nothing wrong in using YouTube video.
Okay.
Number one. Number two, they cannot edit my video. They cannot re-edit my video. It is a copyright issue. So automatically, when they try to upload, automatically YouTube will block them.
Okay.
So for that, we need to enable certain options. I have skipped all those.
Okay, sir.
Due to want of complexity, due to reduce of complexity, I have just stopped all those instructions.
Okay, sir.
That way, I have told you how to upload. Maybe later stage, we will learn all these, sir. Maybe final stage.
Yeah.
When we share real time, no?
Yeah, that's why some of the faculty members put in say private. Maybe the students they download our videos and maybe they edit and they put in the any WhatsApp group or the Instagram. So reels like no, பண்ணிடுவாங்களோன்னு ஒரு பயம் அதனால.
இல்ல பண்ண மாட்டாங்க சார், பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. அப்படி சார் நம்ம பசங்க வந்து இந்த இதெல்லாம் படிப்பு வீடியோ எல்லாம் அந்த அளவுக்கு எல்லாம் பண்றதுக்கு
நம்ம அகாடமிக் இதுல பண்ண மாட்டோம். மீம்ஸ் போடுறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணிடக்கூடாது.
பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் இருக்கு சார், நீங்க சொல்றது இருக்கு.
அது இதுதான் சார் ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம். And another one, sir, இதுவும் ஒரு being a personal question தான்.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead of while uploading our video content to show our face,
yes, sir.
அதை விட வந்து ஒன்லி பேக்ரவுண்ட் வாய்ஸ் கொடுக்கறது அது கன்சிடரபிள், அதாவது சஜஸ்டபிள் ஒண்ணா இல்ல வீடியோவோட போடுறது?
தாராளமா கொடுக்கலாங்க சார், நீங்க சொல்றது நல்லதுதான். ஆனா யூஜிசி என்ன ஸ்வயம்லாம் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, நீங்க ஸ்வயம் எடுத்து பாருங்களேன், அவங்க they appear in screen first, அதுக்கப்புறம் வேணா நீங்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அந்த ஸ்டார்டிங்ல எண்ட்ல நீங்க அப்பியர் ஆகிறதுங்கிறது ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் மாடல். இன்னொன்னு சார், எப்போதுமே நீங்க பாடம் நடத்துறப்ப அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனோட, அந்த சொல்லி கொடுக்குறவங்களோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷனோட படிக்கணுங்கிறது அவங்க ஸ்பெசிபிகேஷனா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதனால இஃப் யூ ஆர் கம்ஃபர்டபிள், பிகினிங்ல எண்ட்லயும் அப்பியர் ஆயிட்டு இடையில வேணா நிறுத்திக்கலாம். ஆனா சுத்தமா வீடியோல வராம போறதுங்கிறது இப்ப நமக்கு வேணா வச்சுக்கலாம் சார், நம்மளோட இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வச்சு. பட் நாளைக்கு வந்து நீங்க பெரிய லெவல்ல இப்ப நீங்க ஐக்யூஎஸ்சி வந்து ஒரு ஆன்லைன் ப்ரோக்ராம், இப்ப அடுத்து வந்து யூஜிசி வந்து நம்மகிட்ட கண்டிப்பா NAC அடுத்து வந்து எத்தனை ஆன்லைன் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஆஃபர் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. இப்ப 40 60-40 போறப்ப 40% நம்ம ஆன்லைன்ல போய் ஆகணும். அப்ப அந்த கண்டென்ட் எல்லாம் எடுத்து பார்ப்பாங்க. இ கண்டென்ட் எவ்வளவு வச்சிருக்கீங்க, அந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் என்ன, அந்த பேராமீட்டர்ஸ், அதாவது அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க பேராமீட்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணிருக்கோமா அப்படின்னு பாக்குறப்ப நம்ம வீடியோல அப்பியர் ஆகணும் சார். அதுக்கு தான் என்ன சொல்றாங்க யூஜிசி டேட்டா சென்டர்னு ஒன்று நேக் வந்து டேட்டா சென்டர் கேட்கறாங்க. ஐக்யூஎஸ்சியோட இனிஷியேட்டிவ்ல டேட்டா சென்டர் வேர் யூ மேக் வீடியோஸ். அதுல முக்கியமான அம்சம் வந்து கேமரா, வீடியோ கேமரா. ஆமா சார். அதனால இருக்கணும் சார். அப்பியர் ஆகிறதுங்கிறது மேண்டேட்டரி லேட்டர் இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஸ்வயம்க்கெல்லாம். அதாவது ஆன்லைன்
ஒரு இனிஷியல்ல நம்ம வந்து when we are giving our introduction about that particular subject, so in that time we are showing our video and later we may cut it off our that posting video and the mari indikalam.
Yes sir.
Okay sir. Yes sir.
Thank you.
Yes sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.